Wi-Fi disconnections on the MetaQuest 3 have become one of the most frustrating issues for VR users. Whether you're streaming wireless PC VR, using AirLink, or accessing cloud-based VR experiences, stable connectivity is essential for an optimal experience. As of August 2025, Meta has released several firmware updates in the V57 through V60 series that have addressed some connectivity issues. While these updates have improved overall stability, intermittent disconnections continue to affect many users. There are three primary causes of Quest 3 Wi-Fi disconnections. First, router compatibility issues, especially with older routers that struggle to handle Wi-Fi 6 and 6E standards or lack sufficient bandwidth for VR streaming. Second, signal interference from other devices competing for the 2.4 GHz band, or physical obstacles between your Quest 3 and router that weaken the signal. Third, network configuration problems, such as incorrect quality of service settings or power management features that cause the connection to drop unexpectedly. Let's start with simple solutions you can try immediately. First, restart both your Quest 3 headset and your router simultaneously. This clears temporary connection issues and resets the network stack. Second, try switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands. Sometimes one band may be less congested than the other in your environment. Third, clear your Quest 3's network cache through the Developer Options menu. This removes corrupted network data that might be causing connection problems. Fourth, ensure your router's firmware is updated to the latest version. Router manufacturers frequently release updates that improve Wi-Fi stability and compatibility. For more robust solutions, consider upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6E router. Recent data shows that Wi-Fi 6E routers provide 40% better stability rates compared to older Wi-Fi standards, thanks to improved bandwidth management and reduced interference. Another highly effective solution is creating a dedicated 5 GHz network exclusively for your Quest 3. This approach can reduce interference by up to 50% by isolating your VR traffic from other household devices competing for bandwidth. These foundational steps address the most common causes of Quest 3 Wi-Fi disconnections. By understanding the root causes and implementing these solutions, you can significantly improve your wireless VR experience and reduce frustrating connection drops. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve Quest 3 Wi-Fi disconnections, advanced configuration techniques become essential. The first critical step is creating a dedicated 5 GHz network exclusively for your VR device. Quality of service configuration is crucial for prioritizing VR traffic. QoS ensures your Quest 3 receives the bandwidth it needs for smooth operation, even when other devices are using the network. Different router brands require specific optimization settings. ASUS routers benefit from adaptive QoS and gaming mode, while Netgear users should enable dynamic QoS and disable Smart Connect to prevent automatic band switching. Router placement is critical for optimal performance. Line of sight between your router and Quest 3 dramatically improves signal strength and reduces disconnections. Elevated positioning and minimal obstructions are key factors. Performance optimization requires monitoring key metrics. Aim for latency under 100 milliseconds and sustained throughput over 200 megabits per second. Channel optimization becomes crucial in dense Wi-Fi environments with multiple competing networks. In dense environments with many competing Wi-Fi networks, channel optimization and power adjustments can improve stability by up to 70%. Use Wi-Fi analyzer tools to identify the least congested channels and adjust your router's transmission power accordingly.